Have you ever wondered where your sewage goes once it goes down the drain and toilet? In this video, you will learn about pumps and pump stations and their importance in our collection system to safely move waste from your homes and businesses dozens of miles to a treatment plant. You may have seen our hardworking staff in your neighborhood. 8 of our 10 pump stations are located in residential and business areas in Encinitas, Leucadia, and Carlsbad. One of these is the Encinitas Estates pump station, located in the Encinitas Estates residential area at the corner of Avenida de las Adelsas and Oak Branch Drive. The purpose of these pump stations, also referred to as lift stations, is to lift collected sewage to a higher elevation, for example over a hill. Once at the higher elevation, the sewage can then continue to flow using gravity. The Encinitas Estates pump station has been in operation for 22 years, and a new station is currently being constructed. Structurally, the new pump station will last at least 50 years. The new pump station uses underwater submersible pumps in a concrete collection well for improved efficiency, reliability, and resiliency. Additionally, maintenance requirements are decreased and operator safety is enhanced.
This is the Batiquitos pump station, which is located right across the Coast Highway from South Ponto Beach in Carlsbad. Once sewage is received here from other pump stations, it is pumped to the Encina Water Pollution Control Facility, where it is treated to federally mandated standards and released into the ocean or recycled and used to water terrain.
The district has a surf cam located on top of our Batiquitos pump station, where you can check the surf, weather, and parking before heading out to the beach. You can find the surf cam on our website at www.lwwd.org.
Our field service technicians monitor each pump station to ensure they are in good operating condition with regular maintenance and repair in order to alleviate spills. Many foreign objects, such as wet wipes, can clog pipes and pumps, which can lead to a sewer backup into your home or a sewer spill that can be harmful to the environment, our local beaches, and lagoons. Even if products are not labeled with a do not flush symbol or missing trash disposal instructions on their packaging, they are not flushable. Wet wipes can damage wastewater equipment and infrastructure, causing unnecessary damage to the environment and public health, and increase operating costs.
Thank you for doing your part in protecting our local community and environment. Don't forget to say hi next time you see us in your neighborhood.